Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another little coach for you today. So this is the Coach Kia Circle. It's a really sweet design. So we've got the coach along the front there in a nice grainy leather. And then we have a removable strap, which is lovely and pink and sparkly on one side. And then it's just navy fabric on the other side. We've got the Coach leather dog tag attached to this strap. This strap is removable as well. You can see it just clips on to either side. And then we've got a zip top closure. The inside we've got a lovely pink leather lining and one flat pocket. The condition of it is really nice. Again, we have called it very good all around. There's just a very slight mark on the back on this leather, so one just there, and then we've got a little bit of a mark just here along the back as well. And then the shape is mostly perfect. You can see from the front it looks perfect, and from the back it looks perfect as well. If you look from the top, you can just see a very slight bend in the shape, but mostly in a very nice condition. And because it's a nice stiff leather, it should hopefully keep that shape really nicely as well. The condition of the hardware, again, we've called very good. It's a nice brass colour, and it's meant to have kind of a little bit of an antique-y, aged look to it anyway. But we've called it very good. Just when you pull this clip down, you can see where it darkens a little bit from where that's been used. And it's the same on this side. So that is why we have called that hardware condition very good. And then the interior is in a really nice condition. That leather is all really nice and smooth, and mostly there is no marks on it. But on this side there is just a very faint little mark on the leather, and so that is why I've called the interior condition very good. If you'd like to see on our website, click the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybyco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, that means it has sold. But we have some really gorgeous coach bits on our website at the minute, so make sure you have a look at those. But if it was this in particular you were looking out for, you can send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. And then as soon as we have another one, we'll pop you on a request list, and then we'll let you know when one comes in, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. Exact measurements for this bag are going to be on our website as well. But I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". And with that strap, it just sits really nice and comfortably as a crossbody. You can have it this way around with a nice pink sparkly strap if you're looking to add a little bit of sparkle, or if you want a bit more of a neutral strap, you can just flip it around and wear it on the navy side as well, which is really nice. And it is completely removable, so if you fancy a whole different strap, you can have that option as well. So a really nice, versatile little bag. Have a look at it on our website, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us. And don't forget, while you're here as well, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.